The Blue Paloma is a luxurious bed and breakfast property which is perfect for visitors to Jamaica who are seeking to have an organic and authentic Jamaican experience and care about sustainability and want to live like and amongst Jamaicans.
My name is Negril. I'm the proprietor for Blue Paloma Bed and Breakfast. Well, I was born in Hanover. I was born in the district of Baulk, B-A-U-L-K, very proud. I went to Middlesex Corner Primary School. Then I went to Rusea. Back then you had to pass some exam called a common entrance to get to, a high school at the time. So I went to Rusea High School.
Centrally located at the top of East Avenue in Lucea, Blue Paloma